last time I did this ride, I saw some pretty cool cars. I got my camera on my drone, get some cool shots of the bike, go for a nice ride, see what other cars there is. Friday night, Friday evening. It's like 7:30, I think. That is the coolest thing I've seen in ages. I absolutely love it. Absolutely fucking badass. If I get ahead of him, get the camera out. Ah, fuck me. Go, go, go. Come on, Charlie, get your camera out quick. Yeah, boy, so sick. Let's go and find some other shit. I think I got at least one cool one of that Beetle, maybe two. See if that lad wants some pictures of his Golf. I think it's with cars on these roads. It's nice to drive on here, but you get stuck behind slow people very quickly, like that Beetle. You can't fucking get faster. Classic. Any nice cars down there? Beetle, I would have gone right, because I would have gone for the slowest, most chill, windy roads. Get all excited over taking photos of a Beetle now. Why does my helmet keep doing that? It's very off-putting. I love this car so much. It's sick, man. I love it. I love it. I think I got a cool picture of it.
Yeah, I saw you.
Yeah.
Picture, yeah.
So cool. So cool. Can I take one more picture here while you're parked?
Yeah, that's not
You stay here for like 2 minutes. I'm going to walk here and I'll take a picture. was literally just driving around seeing if I can find some cool stuff to take photos of, and then saw you guys and I thought, oh, I better get ahead and I can take a really cool picture. Yeah, so you've got the ultimate vehicles then, you've got the bike and the car.
Bike and the car, yeah.
Right, so nice. Yeah, well, you work for it.
We have it like 8 years, and it started for 2,700 euros. And
Really?
so yeah, but the maintenance, that's
Yeah, that's the big bit. Yeah. You don't want to drive it too far.
Oh yeah, we drive all the time, or?
Yeah? Oh, good.
We go on holiday with it. So.
It's nice to see them get used and people actually like drive around. Same with the bikes as well. It's so cool, man. I absolutely love it. What a fucking weapon. Thanks for stopping. I don't want to keep you too long.
Yeah, we were waiting and we thought, because you took the picture, maybe he's gonna...
Yeah. Well, I was thinking if I can catch up, I'll give you I'll get your email address or something, and I can send the pictures.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah? Let me take my helmet off for a second because I'm fucking sweating. Oh, it's so hot, eh? It's okay when you're moving, but as soon as you stop. Lovely, guys. No, really nice to meet you. Have a great evening. What legends. Absolute, that was made my day. Absolutely fantastic. What lovely people. Well, a bug flew in my eye while talking to them. I think I've got it out now. Maybe I should have a little look. A little midgie. Oh no, it's still in there. What the fuck? Got it. What a fucking little shithead. Sorry that you had to die for my eye. Right, let's go towards the sun again. We're away for another few minutes and then towards, I don't know, gonna find somewhere else to take photos. That's the first people I've ever told about my YouTube. Apart from the missus. Although annoyingly they couldn't find me, so even though they typed in exactly what my YouTube channel is. Or maybe it's Charlie Moto 112 is actually the thing you have to search for. And I haven't got my earplugs in, which I've been able to stop immediately. Let's get them in before I fucking go deaf. Oh, motorbike friend, sorry I couldn't ride with you. Oh. Charlie, what are you doing? Knocking it into second and fucking... Ah, oh, dear me. Well, should be a pretty nice sunset. Get some nice pictures of me in front of it. Looks like I get my fucking earplugs in. Last little bit of battery on the old GoPro, so let's just head towards the sunset. Let's get a little bit of a breeze in ourselves because I am bloody sweaty. This is going to be buggy now. There's going to be a lot of bugs. I'm going to have to wipe the GoPro every now and again to get them off, I reckon. Oh, this visor is just like magic. I wish I should put this visor over my GoPro and make the sunset look fucking... It looks like I'm on another planet. Awesome. So I had an aftermarket visor for this helmet. I'm wearing the RnineT Concept XE, if anyone's already doing it for the photos. And oh, stop it. That is wicked as well.